Happy Deepavali.
Happy Diwali.
Happy Deepavali.
Happy Diwali.
Wish you happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Good morning all of you. My name is Pulkit Bugalia from class 9th. Today I am explain my topic on Deepavali from KVM school. Deepavali festival is a grand celebration of Hindus in India. On this day, Lord Ram returned to his home at Ayodhya from Vanvas, which means forest life, after defeating the demon Ravan. It is the primarily celebrated in India, but it is glorified around the whole globe. This festival is also known as the Festival of Light, which signifies the victory of light over the darkness. This festival is a very big festival for Hindus and all the people of India. People celebrate this festival with great enthusiasm. We celebrate Dhanteras and Chote Diwali day before the main festival, and Bhai Dooj right the next day of Diwali. Say that all the light of world cannot be compared to the even light of the self. All the light of world cannot be compared to the inner light of the self. Migrate yourself in lights and enjoy Supreme Diwali.
Hey everybody, I am Komal from 10th standard. Today we will talk about Diwali. You know, Diwali is a major festival in India which celebrates the victory of lights over darkness and good over evil. It is also known as the Festival of Lights. The name Diwali, which comes from Sanskrit word Dipavali, it means row of lights.
रघुकुल रीत सदा चली आई, प्राण जाए पर वचन ना जाए। कुछ इन्हीं पंक्तियों के साथ आप सभी श्रोताओं को दीपावली की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। मैं वंदना शर्मा, केवीएम सिक्कर। दीपावली यानी रोशनी का त्योहार। यह त्योहार कार्तिक मास की अमावस्या को मनाया जाता है। इस दिन भगवान श्री राम 14 वर्ष का वनवास पूर्ण करके एवं रावण का वध करके अयोध्या लौटे थे। इस खुशी में सभी लोग दीपक जलाकर दीपावली के त्योहार को अच्छे से मनाते हैं, खुशहाली पूर्वक। इस दिन सुख समृद्धि की देवी माता लक्ष्मी और गणेश जी की पूजा की जाती है। हमारी हृदय पूर्वक कामना है कि ये दिवाली आपके जीवन में खुशियां लेकर आए और आपके सभी सपने साकार हो।
Hello everyone, my name is Divyansh Palsania. I am from class 7. Today I want to speak some lines about Diwali. Diwali is a festival of lights. It is one of the biggest and greatest festival which is mainly celebrated in India. Diwali is also known as Deepavali, which falls during the month of either October or November. Diwali is celebrated after 20 days of the Dussehra festival. It is celebrated on the honor of Lord Ramchandra as per Hindu mythology. It is believed that Lord Ram returns to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. During this exile period, he fought with demons and demon king Ravan, who was the powerful ruler of Lanka. On Ram's return, the peoples of Ayodhya lit diyas to celebrate the victory of Ram. Thank you and
Hello, a very cheerful and spacious day to one and all present here. Today I am here from Standard 10th presenting a speech on Diwali. It is the divinest festival and traditional festival of India. In this festival, Lord Ram returned to Ayodhya after spending 14 years in exile and defeating the king of Lanka, Ravan. Diwali is a wonderful festival and it is also known as Festival of Lights.
Hello everyone, myself Rupak Yadav from KVM Public School of 7th standard. Okay, I am here for presenting a speech on Diwali. Diwali is a festival which is celebrated on Kartik Amavasya. Diwali symbolizes the victory of the Lord Ramchandra over the demon king Ravana and knowledge over ignorance. When the Lord Ramchandra returned to Ayodhya after his 14 years exile, the people of Ayodhya light up Deepaks for the welcome of the Lord Ramchandra. The word Deepavali means Deep plus Avli, rows of lighting lamps and Deepaks dispelling darkness from our environment. The ways by which Diwali is celebrated. Lighting lamps. Small earthenware pots filled with oil are lit to invite the goddess of wealth called Ma Lakshmi. Decorating. Houses and workplaces are decorated with rangolis and flowers. Visiting temples. People visit temples for take bless from God to be successful in their life.
Good morning all of you. My name is Anushka from class 6th. Today's my topic is on Diwali. Diwali is very important festival for Hindus. It falls in the month of Kartik. On this day, Sri Ramchandra came to Ayodhya after the exile of 14 years. People clean and whitewash their homes on this day and decorate them with flowers and diyas. People buy sweets and eat together with lots of joy and happiness. In the night, people worship goddess Lakshmi to seek their blessings for her.